There she is, packing up all her stuff. 17 years worth of her stuff. Time for her.
Oh, hi. What are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to be at work?
I got off early and I came home and we're just hanging out.
Just hanging out?
Yeah.
Just hanging out? What was the candle for?
I mean, I just wanted to light a candle.
What are you listening to?
Music?
You never listen to that music when I'm around.
So, like, what's your problem?
What are you doing here? You know why I'm here.
What you doing? Huh? Vibing? Look at this. You on camera. You see that? You on camera. Everything has been recorded. He's just a decoy. He don't even f with you. He knows what's going on. He knows how you are, all this type of shit. You got tested, you failed, bruh. Straight up. You not trying to show your face or what?
And you failed.
I failed. You gonna sit here and kiss this, bruh. You gonna sit here on camera in 4K. You want the video?
In my bed.
You want the what bitch did I on my bed? What bitch did I tell me? I got cameras in my pad, bruh, every single day. There is not one bitch in my pad. Nah, you're not gonna sit here and try to turn it on me, bruh. It's cool. You failed. Find a ride home. Simple as that. Sit back down. You cool, bruh. Find your ride home. Come on, babe. Let's go. Come on, babe. Let's go. We gone. We gone.
So just so you know, this entire thing was just basically a loyalty test. So we were just trying to help him find out, like, if you,
and they help.
you know,
and they
be
help.
loyal to him or not. So that's all
They
this
help.
was. You know, we're just trying to see
They
if
help.
he.
You're good. I
They
appreciate
help.
you. This man has cheated on me for the last 6 years.
Oh, hey, now she wanna lie.
If it's
What type of delusional bitch are you? What type of stupid ass bitch are you to sit here and get beat?
I stayed with
You
you
get
after you had a
beat.
kid after me, Junior.
I ain't never beat you though.
Arthur,
I ain't
you
never
had a
beat
kid
you.
after me?
You a lying ass bitch. Your mom know it. Your brother know it. Your everybody in your family know you a lying ass bitch. Your own family told me not to be with you, bruh. You
It's
failed.
the way that this man
You
cheated on
failed.
me
You
and
failed.
had a baby with another.
Ask that baby
He
he'll take
had
you home.
a threesome with 4 different bitches. He turned around.
I
He
did?
cheated on me with upwards of 15 females.
What else?
Don't play with me. Don't play that.
What are the lies
He's not playing that. You're a hoe.
Ask him, bitch, you in a car that's not even yours, kissing another man. What are you talking about? I'm a hoe, you a hoe on camera. I ain't a hoe on camera, you a hoe. Watch out with the other car, watch out with the other car. Not the Beamer, not the Beamer. Bro, you failed. Well, call up whoever you gotta call up, because you're not coming with me.
We'll help you find a ride home and everything. We can call you an Uber home if you need one. Well,
Please.
Well,
TikTok guys. Are you sure?
well, like I said, we're just trying to help him find out, you know, and
I found out.
And he got 2 different bitches.
Bitch, you a lying ass bitch. That's
and
what
then
you
turn
are.
around. You had a bitch staying in the same bed that I was sleeping
Tell
in.
me when. I could pull
You
up
had a
camera
bitch
video.
staying in the same bed
I
that I was
could,
sleeping
bruh, I
in.
could pull up camera video in my apartment. I don't even stay in my apartment. I'm at work
bedroom.
all day.
have you ever cheated on him?
Yeah, she
before
clearly
this?
has.
No,
Yes, you
prior
have.
to this, no, I
Don't
haven't.
lie, bruh.
So this was your first time.
I honestly thought you wasn't gonna fail. Straight up. Even when I did the interview and everything, I told her I don't think she's gonna fail. You failed.
We share an apartment. He abused the living.
I abused.
physically
When?
and mentally,
When?
physically.
When?
Like, all-
Show me when. I would love to see when. You've done this like 5 times. When we were 16, you said the most craziest. Recently, you said the most craziest. Bro, you almost got me evicted.
Fellas, I hope you've learned whatever you can from this video. Firstly, you will only know the true character of a lady the moment she knows her relationship with you is over. Many of them go about pretending and gives you a false sense of confidence. See how he vouched that she can never cheat on him. Unfortunately for him, she had secrets that he won't even envisage. At the end of the day, the bottom line is most of these females are not loyal and will put you in trouble in a moment's notice once they notice you are no more in love with them. So be careful when dealing with these females and don't ever trust a woman 100%.
Because you've been acting weird for quite some time, and I started tracking you. I put a tracker on your car because I knew you. I just knew. That's right. I put a tracker on your car because I knew you were. I just knew. You've been treating me different. You've been coming home late. You've been making excuses. All the patterns. I put a tracker on your car.
I'm pretty sure it's illegal to put trackers on people's vehicles or to track people that don't know they're being tracked. So, yeah, that's just crazy. That you're kind of like a stalker now.
I don't know. I don't think that's how that's going to work in court. So good luck with that. Pretty sure.
Yeah, it's illegal to put trackers on people's vehicles and track them.
Well, I'm not a lawyer. I don't.
You can't just take my fucking kids. What are you doing?
I can. They're my kids, and they're completely fine. So, yeah, you need to figure out what's going on in your head right now before, the boys know that Mama's been sleeping around, talking to other guys. So, I don't know.
I'm in the state of Wisconsin, and I want you to know it's been 17 years. These people here, and my kids working with them, trying to keep me away from my children, and the judge is biased.
We're taking a break. I'll be right back.
No, we ain't taking no break. I want you to listen to this. 17 years I ain't seen my kids. Diversity and justice in Wisconsin. What you mean? I ain't doing nothing. This is my personal property.
Yeah, can you sit down, please?
And they lying on me.
You don't take phones out in court.
Well,
you're right.
I'm doing it. This is my personal.
This
is for my safety.
Keep your phone.
This is for my safety. This is for my safety.
We're going to be done here if you can't put your phone away.
I've been done with this years ago.
So
what are you saying? Look, they are lying. People lying on me.
Can you put your
17 years, my God. These people have successfully annihilated this fella from the life of his children. It's unfortunate this type of thing is allowed to go unpunished. And at the end of the day, the society is the one worst off for it. Would it not have been better if this dude didn't even have children in the first place? 17 years of court case, all the money he has spent, and at the end of the day, he didn't even get to have a part of his children's life. Well, bro, it's just a year to go. I would just advise you to let it be. And if the children wants to be with you in a year's time, they will come looking for you. If not, just stay on your own, bro. This whole thing is not worth the stress.
To any kid that grew up like going to court for custody, we went through some shit, bro. Like you can't even really like explain that shit because it doesn't sound real. Like you had to be in a room and they'd be like, so who do you love more, your mom or your dad? That was some traumatic shit. And like whoever drove you to court would be giving you a pep talk before you got there. Be like, all I want you to do in there is be honest, okay? Just be honest. Like, don't forget that I took you to McDonald's this week. But be honest, tell them about, fucking tell them how your mom likes to fucking drink. Don't be nervous, okay? It's gonna be fine. But just remember, if this goes well, we can go to Chuck E. Cheese next week. It was so bad. Or like you'd be talking to your parent, you'd be like, and remember what your dad did to you last week? I'd be like, yeah, I got fucking spanked because I tried to take something from the store. Yeah, but they don't know what spanked means in there. Say you were beat. Your dad beat you, okay? You gotta use big boy words now, like beat you. To a pulp, if you can. And then they would put us in this kid's room, which was great, and had a bunch of toys with no batteries and like an abacus. Be asking you shit you didn't understand. Be like fucking 4 or 5, like you didn't even know you were answering question. You're just venting as a child because you didn't know the repercussions of it. They'd be like, does your dad feed you? And you're like 5, so you're thinking like, you know what? We didn't get to go to the pizza place I wanted to go to. So your response is like, no, he doesn't really feed me. You write that shit down in a notebook. Poor dad's getting fucking railed in there. You didn't even know by like the end of this, like you'd be leaving with a parent that you didn't even show up with and changing schools and shit. Like you didn't know how drastically your life was changing after that shit was done. You were just out there fucking talking. Like I did it in the 90s and early 2000s. So there wasn't even like fucking games or like streaming services. So like parents are in there fighting for their fucking lives and fucking who owns you. You're just staring out of a window like drawing pictures with your finger. You leave not knowing it's that dramatic and one parent comes up and hugs you, tells you everything's gonna be okay. You're like, what the fuck happened? Fucking weird when you think about it as an adult. But after a lot of attachment issues and parking lot drop-offs, we made it.
Gentlemen, when she doesn't contact you, remember this. That means she has options and she's using those options. Well, actually, she's with him, the other guy, and not you. If she doesn't contact you, that means she's with someone else. She's not sitting at home waiting for you. Listen, stop trying to get her back and get you back.
Women have cheated on billionaires. Women have cheated on celebrities. Women have cheated on men that have everything. Looks, money, status. If you think you're an exception, then you're a fool. Think about it.
Women are way more selfish than men. Men do things for others. Women do things for themselves. And if a woman tells you she's doing it for her children, always look at a woman's actions, not her words. Don't believe a woman's words, believe her actions. Because you can see if she's doing it for her children. If a woman says she's doing it for her children, she's not.